I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and permissions so messages and payments go through. Once done, navigate to the Sonic Universe RP donation or support channel and find the Super Chat command. You need a verified payment method, link PayPal or Stripe, or ensure you have enough in-server credits. Do this now. Setting up these essentials prevents delays later and lets you trigger the Super Chat flow immediately when you're ready to donate or highlight a message. Next, perform the core action. Enter the Super Chat command with the correct syntax and amount so the system recognizes it. Once you type it, choose visibility settings, pinning, color tier, and how long it stays prominent, which affect reach. Confirm the preview so the message appears as intended, then authorize the payment through your chosen method. After payment, wait for the confirmation message. This verifies the Super Chat was accepted and instructs moderators. To finish, verify your Super Chat shows in the Sonic Universe RP channel with the correct PIN and color so others see it. If it doesn't appear, first check payment status and that you have necessary permissions, then review command logs for syntax errors. If unresolved, copy the transaction ID and contact moderators or support with that info. As a quick fix, try resending with a different payment method or slightly different command syntax to rule out transient processing or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.